Welcome to Howtopedia. Hi friends, it was my 5th birthday a few weeks back. I chose unicorn theme for my birthday, and today I am super excited to show you how we decorated my party area.
This is our party area, and this is the table that I've covered with a white cloth. First, I started with the balloons. I got this packet of unicorn balloons, a few packets of pastel color balloons, and a couple of packets of metallic balloons. So I blew them up in various sizes. For tying them, I used this balloon garland strip, which is really easy to use. This is really useful in making balloon garlands. I attached the inflated balloons to the strip by pulling the knots to the smaller hole to keep them fixed. Once all the holes are filled in, the garland is ready and can be hanged easily using a fish wire to a nearby hook. Next, I set up the unicorn theme backdrop that I made earlier. Check out the video linked above and in the caption if you want to make it too. I used double-side tape to stick this to the wall. Now let's decorate the table. I got these crepe paper roll sheets of the theme colors and cut 1-inch strips from it. Then I folded one corner of it a bit and used a small piece of double-side tape to stick this to the table and cut it. Alternated the colors and finished off with a strip at the top to hide the edge. Last, I added the happy birthday banner to complete the look of the table. Then I placed this 3D number 5 that I made earlier. I'll linking the video above and in the caption if you want to check this out too. And the setup is almost ready, but what's a birthday without a cake? Ordered this lovely cake but kept it minimalistic since I wanted the cake topper to be the highlight. Saw such cute cake toppers on Pinterest and made it inspired from a few designs there. For the dress earlier, I had got these 3 different fabrics and a few flowers, and I got it stitched and turned out to be beautiful, just the way I wanted it to be.
And that's it. My unicorn theme party area is ready. I hope you liked it. I really liked it and I enjoyed my birthday. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel.